Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering on and charging the headphones to at least 50%, then enable active noise canceling. Next, open your laptop Bluetooth or USB audio settings so pairing is quick. Make sure drivers are installed. Once done, close competing audio apps and set system volume low to avoid spikes. This reduces interruptions and prevents loud pops. You're establishing a controlled environment, so the next steps are fast and predictable. Don't skip these basics. You put the headphones into pairing mode and select them from the laptop's Bluetooth list. If using USB or wired, plug into the proper jack and pick that device in sound output. Once connected, go to Sound Control Panel and choose the headphones as default output and input if desired. Then set sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz, and 16-bit or 24-bit for stable audio. These steps ensure latency is low and ANC functions as intended. You now fine-tune ANC strength and transparency, and match system plus app volumes so you hear speech clearly without distortion. Test with a voice or video call and play media to confirm clarity. Make small mic and echo cancellation adjustments in call settings. Once satisfied, save profiles or app-specific audio presets. If audio cuts out or latency appears, restart Bluetooth or USB connection, reconnect the headphones, and update drivers. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.